In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Google Keep notes to Google Docs 5 minutes. If you use Google Keep to jot down ideas, checklists, or quick reminders, moving that content into a Google Doc can make it easier to format, share, or expand into something more polished. The process is quick, built right into Keep, and doesn't require any add-ons. Let's walk through it together, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make it seamless. Start by opening your web browser and heading to keep.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your note lives. You can check the account avatar in the top right corner. If you have a lot of notes, the search bar at the top is handy for finding exactly what you need by keyword, label, or color. Click the specific note you want to transfer to open it. This brings the note into full view, which helps ensure you're copying the exact content you want. If it's a checklist, you can leave boxes checked or unchecked. Keep will copy what you see. Look for the more icon at the bottom of the note. It's the 3 vertical dots. Clicking this opens a menu of actions related to your note. This menu is where the built-in export option lives, so you don't need to download or convert anything manually. From that menu, choose Copy to Google Docs. Keep will create a brand new Google Doc with your notes content. This typically includes text, lists, and images. Formatting is simple by default, which is great if you plan to style it yourself in Docs. Just give it a moment. For larger notes, it might take a few seconds. When the copy is ready, you'll see a small confirmation at the bottom of the screen with an option to Open Doc. Click Open Doc to jump straight into Google Docs and start editing. Your new document will open in a fresh tab, automatically saved to your Google Drive, and usually titled with the note's name. From here, you can apply headings, adjust spacing, convert checklists to bullet points, or share the document with collaborators. If you miss the prompt, don't worry. The document will also appear in your recent files in Google Docs. That's all there is to it. Open Keep, select your note, use the More menu, copy it to Google Docs, and open the new document to refine and share. This is a quick way to turn rough notes into polished documents without any copying and pasting. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.